guys, so I am in the midst of pulling outfits to wear for the trip I'm going to Mexico to celebrate my friend's 40th birthday. I really don't know what I want to wear. The only thing I picked out so far is this one black set. I'll show you guys. This set from Aritzia, it's really cute. It's like this wrap crop top and black skirt. So that's for sure going. One thing figured out. I don't even know what I want to pack. This is not good. This is how I always feel with packing. I get completely overwhelmed. So I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna look on my list and try to figure out what it is that I need out of all this stuff. And I'll show you guys what I mean. I'm such a pen and paper girl. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna make a list. I know that we are flying out Friday, so I need to pull a travel outfit for sure. Obviously, I'm gonna need a swimsuit and a dinner outfit. And PJs, right? And then I know, so I'm just gonna be writing out all the days that I'm there. And then I kind of know. And then Monday is I'm flying back, so it's just a travel outfit that I need that day. So looking at that, that'll kind of help me to see like what I actually need. Picking out all my stuff, so I'm going to show you what I'm bringing. So let me grab it real quick. So I've got all my stuff here. I'm going to Mexico for 3 days. I know that we're going to be going out to dinner. It's for a 40th birthday party for one of my dear friends. And as usual, I want to get some photos while I'm there. So I'm packing a couple day options. I realize probably going to be the swimsuit most of the time, but it's always good to have day options just in case. Also to like run to breakfast and things like that. So my first thing is this really cute sheer kind of distressed little top, and I'm gonna do just a white crop top underneath it, but this could also work over a swimsuit if I wanted. And with that, I've got packing cubes here. I don't know if I should use the packing cubes. I guess we'll just start and see how it goes and figure out what I need to do as far as packing. So I'm trying to do just a carry-on, but we'll see. I have one of my cover-ups here. I actually got this in Mexico a few years ago. My mom got it for me. We got matching ones because we're just really cute like that. So put that one down. And this is also, I love this cover-up. This is actually vintage. It's just like a gold, really pretty cover up. Okay. Swimsuit. Bra and bralette. Maybe put those in a different section. I also brought this. This is just like, it's a Free People top. I always get so many compliments on it. And it's really just lightweight. And I like this long sleeve because at night sometimes it's a little chilly. Or at least I get kind of cold sometimes. I brought this long skirt, which I thought would be really cute with the, with this actually. Like this layered over with the crop top with the black. I think it would be pretty, or if I wanted to be more like spicy, if I'm feeling it. I've got this bralette that I could put underneath it and it would be really pretty. So I've got options, which is great. Let's move that. This. I'm bringing a dark pair of denim shorts and a light wash. I could probably do one, but I do feel that with the day outfits, and also it's nice just in case like one got wet, I could. White little bikini, and I love this one. This one's such a cheapie. I got it from Amazon because I feel like white bikinis get destroyed. And it's got a little bow tie. I think it's really flattering on, so bring in that friend. And then I'm bringing my Masuni bikini. It's really cute. And I brought this one piece, which I really just want to take a picture with, but I might wear it too. I don't know. We'll see. And then I'm bringing one of the vacay swimsuits that was so sweetly gifted from Carly, the owner of Vacay Swim, when I did content stuff for her. But this one's really cool because it converts a bunch of ways, so I can get ample wear, and they're really flattering, so I love that. I'm bringing a hat because the sun is no joke. And I find, like, I think those straw ones are so cute, but when you're sitting on a lounger, like, you'd have to get one of those visors. And maybe I'd get one when I'm down there, but again, I'm on my little no-buy, so. Although, if they do see a peasant blouse, I really want, like, one of those Penny Lane kind of short sleeve white blouses. If we went somewhere and I saw that, I would probably grab one and ask my husband to hold on to it for me till Christmas, till my birthday, because I've been wanting one. And I feel in the summer is when I'd want to wear it. So that would be like a fun little thing to pick up if we see one. Oh, this dress. This dress looks like that Cult Gaia dress that everyone was wearing. And it's definitely not. It's a knockoff. But it's really flattering on. And I put it on the other day, and I was kind of worried because it's like, I don't know, you guys, like, it's January right now, I guess February tomorrow, but, you know, I haven't really been working out. I got sick at the beginning of the year. I've been trying to get a few workouts here and there, but I haven't really been on my game, and so I was like, oh, I don't know if I'm going to be able to pull this off, but it's so flattering on. I was like, oh, well, hello there. So, yeah, so I love this. And then this is another, this is a Sabo skirt dress. And it's really, really pretty on, just light and sheer. It's this really pretty seafoam green, so I'm really excited to wear this one. So put that one in as well. And then I have this set I got a few years ago from Aritzia, and it's adorable. It's this black top that's like kind of cropped, but it's like a longer crop, which is nice. And it wraps, and it has this little black skirt that it goes with, which honestly, now I'm thinking maybe I don't bring that long one, because I just packed that and I don't think I really need it. Yeah, I don't think I really need this one. I can take this one out, because if I want to wear that together, that could look cute. I don't know. We'll see. That's a maybe. We'll see how it goes. And then just bringing this tank top I have. It's like ancient from Urban Outfitters. I love it though. It's one of my favorite summer tank tops. And then next, just simple PJs. And then I have another pair that's like cuter PJs. And that's gonna be worn on the plane. And I have a couple headbands, which I think will come in handy down there. So put those in there. And this set I got a long time ago. It's one of those ones that has like the built-in panty that you're supposed to, which I was super uncomfortable with when I first got it, and I don't know if I'd have the balls to wear it here at stateside. But in Mexico, I feel like I can get away with it. I think my husband's gonna be like, I can see your underwear. But I think it'll be cute. I don't know. I'll take a picture in it at least. I don't know if I'll wear it out. We'll see. We'll see how ballsy I'm feeling. And then I have this fun set, which is like a great day set, which also this can be a cover up. It's really long and it's cute. It also could be PJs, quite frankly, if I wanted it to. Maybe I'll take these out and then I can use these at PJs at the end if I don't end up wearing it. Yeah. I'll do that. I'll put that in with it. Yeah. See, I'm already getting smart. And then for bags, I have this guy. It's my wet bag. And then I have this for going out to dinner. I think it's really pretty and it's got like a strap in there. And I have this one, which I think would go with the black stuff. And it's cute, so. And I'm just gonna, because I don't want any of my clothes to get snagged on the old ones. So I'll just go ahead and put it in like that. And that goes down flat. And then I have my beach bag, which can go down like that. Wow, we're doing really good. And then I have this guy, which is also a cover-up or a little jacket. And that's cool. And then I know I'm gonna want my flip-flops for sure. There's no doubt about that. And then I know I want these for sure. Definitely need these heels. I want these. Let me go ahead and put down the ones I know that we'll use. And I still have to get underwear and socks together. Okay, so there's that. All right, so I have these 3 choices for sandals. I feel like these are really cute. I kind of want to bring these. I lean towards saying yes to these. I know these are super comfortable. I'm gonna bring these. And that. Yeah, we have room in here. Said every maximum. Okay, so these are going back up. And you know what? I guess surprisingly, you can actually have room for this skirt right here. It's fine. This is actually going well. So what up do we still need? I still need to pack underwear and socks. Yeah, I'm actually really impressed. I've done pretty well. And I still need to do my toiletry bag and makeup and like a travel bag. And I don't know which one I want to use yet. And like snacks and stuff like that. And like maybe a beach read. So I'll get a nice travel bag together for that. It's easy. But yeah, I think that's it. Man, I'm really impressed with myself. So look how nicely this all packed too. Like, are you kidding? I am so proud of myself, okay? Like all of my carry-on so far. So we'll see how we do with toiletries. That's gonna be where it gets precarious, but stay tuned.